Okay, for you IKEA do-it-yourselfers, this is the EKET. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's a storage unit, but it has the push release system, sits flush. A couple of tricks or tips on this. This is a new design. And if you see here, which it's a little dirty, IKEA has a new, sorry about the noise, my daughter's watching something. They come up with this diagonal. The thing that you need to pay attention is when you're installing it, you have to have the correct panel when you do the installation. There's a number one, the other one's not numbered, but number one is what you need to start off with. Because with this corner design, the number one panel has a deeper slot for this back panel. And so it needs to slide up deeper or all the way down. And then to engage this corner to make it fit, this is a shallower notch or dado. And my wife put it together and it didn't work properly and I had to take it apart. But afterwards you're able to slide the panel back down, center it, and then put in these locks. The other thing is when you install this cabinet, there are these fine adjustments right here. There's one on each side, but they're awful, poor design. And what it does, it allows you to have the cabinet when it's pushed in to be out a little bit for the finer adjustments. The problem is these are awful. You can't turn it. So one tip that you need to do when you install it, here's the bottom side of the cabinet, but I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. My daughter is not going to help me because she's young. So what you do is you slide it in, just like it shows in the instructions, but slam it. That's the trick. There you go. See how it's still sticking out? It didn't work properly. So what you need to do is, again, see how this is loose? This side's loose, this side's not loose. What you do is you close here and you slam it. There, you see that? Now it's perfectly flush. Open. And the problem is it doesn't engage in the back. There's a little notch from the slide pin that's supposed to engage the back of this. And you literally have to slam it to make it work. But once you slam it, that's the trick to getting it flush. All right, it's a trick for this new design model EKET from IKEA. There you go.